Android emulators. What are they and how can we utilize them? Hey everyone, I'm Josh and today we are going to talk about Android emulators. Okay, so when we say emulators at all, what are they? Simply, they are softwares that most developers use to test their apps. That is, after they have designed and then developed their mobile applications and they want to test them on mobile phones and other devices like tablets and the rest. They sometimes use these emulator softwares to test and then see and make sure everything is working before they try to put on the App Store or on the Play Store. But that is not for them only, because you and I, like this, would want to play some games on our PC, like mobile games on our PC. So emulators or Android emulators are not just for developers, but also for everyone. So for those who would want to play mobile games like the PUBG and the rest, any other mobile game out there, or even want to use your mobile applications like what's it called, WhatsApp, Telegram, like basically any mobile application you can think of. So these emulators are used for like facilitating these mobile apps on our PCs. So if you think about it very well, you realize that there are some softwares out there that enable most users to actually use these mobile applications on their PC. So today I'm going to show you some about five PC softwares, that is emulator softwares, that can be used on our PCs. The top on the list is Bluestacks. I currently use this one for most of my things. I use this purposely for one reason. I'm a developer, alright, but I do not use this for testing mobile apps. No, I use this one for playing games most of the times. Funny enough. So we have the Bluestacks, which is out there, very good, very useful. You can use this software for basically all your mobile applications. It has the Play Store available too, so you could basically use and install mobile apps from your Play Store. The second on the list is we have the Gameloop. Gameloop here allows you to, it's basically meant for games. So if you're a gamer and you want an emulator for playing games, you can check this one out. It allows you to install any kind of game. The downside about this is that it doesn't have a Play Store to install or download your games from. So what you have to do is probably have to download the APK files and then install it in this particular emulator. The third on the list we have here is the Nex Player. Nex Player is a very good software. Actually, I think it's my favorite on the list, even though I still use Bluestacks. This particular one is very good because it's in a way similar to Bluestacks, alright, but it's very, very simple. It doesn't take much energy or resources, I don't know how you call it, on your PC. And then this one allows you to use the advanced operating systems like the Android 9, 10 and the rest, but unlike the Bluestacks, it doesn't allow you to use the latest Android versions. So on the list, this particular player, the Nex Player, is my favorite. And then the fourth on the list we have here is Momo Player. The Momo Player, unlike the other players out there, it's also very simple, allows you to play games, install mobile applications also, and I think also has a downside with the Play Store. I don't think it has a Play Store either, so you have to also download and then install APK files from other places and then install it on this particular emulator. The last on the list we have here is the LD Player. The LD Player, also very good out there. It allows you to play mobile games and then what have you. So basically all these emulators you see here does the same thing. They do almost the same thing. They may have one or two issues, and then the most common ones may be the Play Store. That is one may have a Play Store, one may not have a Play Store. But aside that, they basically have the same function. Most people would use them for basically almost the same thing. Some may use them for playing games, some may use them for testing their mobile applications before shipping it to the Play Store. Others too may want to use it for running mobile applications like WhatsApp and the rest on their PC just for fun. So these are the five best, to me, five best emulators out there that I use or that I prefer, that I will recommend for other people to try it out. So check out my next trip. See ya.